Where were you? Oh yes, in Thuin, in Belgium. It's time for a bike ride. What do you say? Look, a church. What do you think it has inside? Nothing remarkably interesting. What a cloudy day. Look, a market. The prices are expensive. 50 euros for a jacket. In Mexico, there are better prices in the markets. Better go straight to the road to start your adventure. Although the sky is gray, it is not so cold. The Sambre river is not very clear, but it has a certain charm. But let's stop talking and start narrating your trip, okay? Cross the bridge and look at the reflection of the world in the river. Something doesn't seem right, like a piece of a puzzle that doesn't fit in properly, as if the reflection of the river was a door to a world more real than the world in which you live. But you know that diving into it won't take you to some alternative reality where things make more sense. A car distracts you from your thoughts just when you were about to get to something concrete. Everything returns to its state of passivity and you return. You take a picture and continue pedaling. You're about to reach Abbey, a place that was originally a Benedictine monastery founded in 637, and then ownership was later replaced by secular clerics. In 1147, it remained in the hands of Cistercian monks from Clairvaux until the French Revolution burned down the building in the 18th century. 40,000 books and 5,000 manuscripts were destroyed. In 1859, the last monk died. The monastery was abandoned, and the abbot's residence became a hospice. But these facts do not matter to you. You will soon forget them and move on to the next adventure. This time, the abbey is closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Fortunately, a nice guy opens the window of his restaurant for you, so you can enter and admire the remains of the emblematic building of the Bologna region. place is amazing. You take some pictures and you marvel at the way nature tries to reclaim the buildings, slowly and steadily. You take one last look around you and prepare to leave. You climb through the window again. You stop for a moment in the restaurant, where the owner explains that they produce beer. You take a look at the place, and in the middle of everything you feel again the strangeness you felt looking at the river, and you blink.